Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Lund. I'm a second grade teacher in Howard County. I've been teaching second grade now for 3 years. Before that, I spent half a year in kindergarten and the other half of the year in first grade. I teach at a Title I school, which is kind of different. Um, when I'm not at work, I'm either at the gym, spending time with my family, or doing something to entertain my dog. Um, I live with my parents, and then I'm also really close with my two older sisters, and I have a nephew who I love spending time with. He's 2. My dog's name is Cooper. He's a border collie. I can't believe he's actually not barking currently because he's pretty much always doing that in the backyard. As you can tell from this video, I love spending time outside. I love going hiking and just laying on the deck or hanging out on the deck in the summer, or at the pool. Also, whenever I can, I go to the beach, but it's not that close from where I live in Montgomery County. Things on my bucket list. I want to go to all 50 states. Currently, I've hit all of the states on the East Coast. Then Ohio, West Virginia, a couple of them that are like a little off the side. I've also been to Colorado, Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming. So I still have a lot more states to check off the list. We're good. Another thing on my bucket list is to finish grad school. So we're checking them off the list with each class. Those are my two main bucket list items for now. I'm really excited for the semester. One of my goals is to get more comfortable with recording. I've made this video at least 3 times now. So maybe we'll get to a point where I don't want to remake it every single time. We'll see though. I can't wait for a great semester.